6 AI tools to help you stay competitive as developer. The following are the top 6 AI tools to help you to do your job faster. 1. Simplified. All-in-one platform for content creation. It's an AI presentation maker, AI blog writer, AI-powered social media manager, and more. 2. Resume. Resume is a top-quality AI resume builder. Utilize their AI to build your cover letter and resume for you. 3. Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the best text-to-image AI image generators. This tool is wildly addictive and highly useful. 4. CodeSquire. Turn your thoughts into code. CodeSquire AI is an AI coding assistant for data scientists, engineers, and analysts. 5. Excel and Google Sheets formula generator. Provide plain text instructions and transform them into Excel formulas in seconds with the help of AI for free. 6. Durable. Durable Team is an AI website builder that is very powerful and quick. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.